we are going to start from page number 74 today, that is the shapes tool. Wrapping text तक हमारा कल हो गया था. Any doubt? Sure, all the tools are clear, right? So now I have taken a new document. Right now there are some shape tools which are provided by the Photoshop that you can include the shapes along with its properties. So you can see here, this is a shape tool. Now so many shapes are coming. The shortcut key is U. The shortcut key is U. Okay. The shapes tool. What are the basic shapes that are available? Rectangle, rounded rectangle, ellipse, polygon, line tool. These are the basic shapes which are available. For example, if I'm picking up the rectangle tool here, so now look at the properties which are available with respect to the rectangle. So here you have to choose a shape because we are going to draw the shape. So you will not take a path here. Second thing, this is a fill color that you want to fill inside the shape. This is the stroke. Stroke means the outline, right? So this is the object basically. तो आप object के अंदर एक fill color रखते हो और एक उसका outline you can set. क्या आप रखनी है? You can set the thickness of the width. Then you the colors. So let's draw an example now. So from here, I'm going to change the color like this is a rectangle tool. Simply you have to drag it and the rectangle will be formed, right? So this is a fill color. Now when you have to use the stroke, so this is the stroke you can take, right? यहाँ आपने उसकी width set करनी है. Stroke means the outline line. You can set the amount of thickness from here. You can also change the line style. All right, that depends upon you whether you want to make it as a solid line or outline or dash. From here you can set the corners. आपको corners बिल्कुल solid रखने हैं, sleek, or you need a rounded one. So these options you can choose. Okay, and then is the line style I've already given you. You can also set the height and width, right? So this was the rectangle. Okay. Now under the rectangle tool, we are having the rounded rectangle as well. So this way you can make. Then ellipse is there. So if you want to make a perfect sphere or a perfect circle, so you will press Shift key along with these two. By using the Shift key, the perfect sphere or circle will be drawn. Next is the polygon. So this is the polygon. Okay. Now next is very interesting tool, that is the custom shapes tool. So there are some line tool की help से you can form any used to do in the paint, है ना? आप line tool के साथ hut बना सकते हो. Any figure you can make using the straight or the slanting line. Next is बच्चे custom shape. Custom shape tool means which are not the auto shapes. Auto shapes में हम consider करते हैं rectangle, circle. Okay. Now next is the custom shape. So see, when you will click on the custom shape, so again there will appear the fill color, whatever the fill color you want to take. Then the stroke color, right? You can set the thickness like that only. Then the style you can see. Now look at the shapes here. So these are the custom shapes. Okay, right now the tick mark is default, by default is selected. So it will draw like this. You can choose like this. So these are the custom shapes which are inbuilt available. Again, when you will click on that, हमने ये gradient में भी किया था, कल मैंने आपको brush में भी बताया था. So simply click on that, so you can choose any kind of custom shape. So see, right? You this does not mean that you have to work only on this blank document. So you can go on the pictures also. For example, now I want to change it, and so if I'm taking all, so you can see number of custom shapes are available with the help of which you can bring beautiful effects on your images by applying to it. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अभी जैसे मेरा पिक्चर का बैकग्राउंड है एंड आई एम टेकिंग दिस ग्रास लीफ, so change the color for that somewhat greenish, right? Small grass you can break it. अब ग्रास का हमने ब्रश भी किया था, राइट? दैट इज द डिफरेंट थिंग. वो ब्रश है, वो स्ट्रोक है जो फोरग्राउंड कलर पे चलता है. दिस इज अ शेप. ऑल राइट, तो शेप्स आर क्लियर. These are the custom shapes. So you can enhance your image, right? The shape tool is clear. Any doubt in the shape tool to anyone? Shapes and custom shapes. Okay. The next tool is bache, the viewing tools. Now what are viewing tools? The tools which are helpful in viewing your document properly. So under the viewing tools, there are two types of tools, that is zoom tool and the hand tool. So you can see on the toolbar. So first method, you can directly click on the zoom tool and the zoom icon will be highlighted. So this way you can zoom in or zoom out. So next one is the hand tool. So hand tool means अगर हमारी image बड़ी होगी तो we can easily move our image with the help of the hand tool. This is one way that you can enable the tools from the toolbar and you're directly using it, right? This is the one way. Second way, I've already told you the shortcut key control minus, that will be zoom in, and control plus, that will be zoom out. अब इसको मैंने बड़ा कर दिया, right? This was the second method. First method, directly you are using the tool from the toolbar. Second method, you are using the shortcut key control plus, control minus, zoom in and zoom out. Third method is you can press the alt key. Now see, when I'm pressing the alt key, my cursor is changing. My mouse pointer is changing, right? So pressing the alt key and simply scroll this mouse button. Scroll the mouse button. अगर मैं इसको upward direction में लेके जा रही हूँ तो ये zoom out हो रहा है. Otherwise it is zoom in. So whatever the direction you are scrolling your mouse, it is scrolling like zoom in and zoom out. But you have to press the alt key with me. मेरी press की मैंने की हुई है continuously. Alt key is being pressed, right? Three methods are clear. First method from the toolbar. Second, control plus, control minus. Thirdly, alt key की help से you can. अब ये fourth method करा है मैंने. Third method का alt key, scroll the mouse wheel button. Fourth method, simply press alt key, press the left mouse button. Okay. So this way you can also zoom it or zoom out. Now next thing is hand tool. So from hand tool you can also use it from this, right? अगर यहाँ पे मेरा enable है तो see इस तरह से मैं अपनी image को float कर सकती हूँ. The second way is hand tool लेने के लिए you can press the space bar. So now I'm going to press the space bar. So it is simply with the help of the mouse pointer you can drag the image wherever you want to place it. So first method from the toolbar, second method pressing the space bar key. Any doubt? Now if you are writing any text on your image, आप अपनी image के ऊपर कोई भी text लगा रहे हो, कल हमने type tool use किया था, so there are the option that is helpful in the spelling and grammar that you do in the MS Word. Spelling and grammar, okay? To edit menu, the option is check spelling. Edit menu, this is the option, check spelling. Right now I have not added any content. When you add the content, so you can check the spellings like this, edit menu, check spelling. The option is clear, right? Now, the next topic, using the image. Okay, the command is, firstly we will be adjusting the image. Go to image, adjustments. Now under the adjustments, there are certain options. Okay, there are certain options. So this is the image I have currently selected. Right? So you can set the, एक हमने बच्चे ऑप्शन करी थी, if you remember, जब हमने कलर रिप्लेसमेंट टूल के साथ किया था. डू यू रिमेम्बर कलर रिप्लेसमेंट? मैंने आपको बताया था एक तो आप कलर रिप्लेसमेंट से डायरेक्टली कर रहे हो, सेकंड वे है कि आप इमेज में जाके क्या ऑप्शन यूज करते थे, क्या ऑप्शन यूज करते थे कलर रिप्लेसमेंट में? विच ऑप्शन इज बीइंग यूज्ड? एनीवन? replace color. Use replace color option. Okay. And right now the shapes are there, so I'm going to delete them. So I'm unhiding all the shapes, right? This way you can use to view or hide the any particular effects that you have applied on a. Now I'm going to make it a duplicate layer for this. Control plus J. So this is the background, right? So image adjustments. Then हमने replace color के option choose करके we have changed the color of the image. Remember हमने pixels उठाए थे कि हमने किस color में change करना है. So that can be used. Second thing, from the image menu under the adjustments, you can set the hue and saturation of the image. So when you will click on this, so here is a hue button that is used to change the colors in the image. So see, so this is the original image, right? By dragging it, I can change the color of my image. ये हमने color replace में भी किया था, same method is here. Okay, so hue is used to change color of a image. मीन्स आप कलर रिप्लेसमेंट टूल से नहीं कर रहे हो, आप डायरेक्टली भी इस तरह से कर सकते हो. अगर आपको सिर्फ उतना पास करना है तो यू विल मेक अ सिलेक्शन फर्स्ट. आफ्टर मेकिंग अ सिलेक्शन यू कैन चेंज द कलर ऑफ द इमेज. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज सैचुरेशन. सैचुरेशन मीन्स द इंटेंसिटी ऑफ द कलर. कितना कलर आपका उसकी कितनी डेप्थ तक आप कलर फिल करना चाहते हो. सो सी राइट नाउ इफ आई हैव सिलेक्टेड दिस कलर, नाउ आई कैन चेंज द सैचुरेशन. Clear? The sharpness. The sharpness of the color will be depend upon saturation. Clear? Next is the lightness. कई बार images आपने देखी होंगी that is in black and white color. So we can make our pictures like this. आपको कोई भी image है, you want to be depict in the black and white, so you can use these options under the image tab. Then the adjustment options. The options are saturation and हाँ, अगर आपके पास कोई है ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट है तो आप उसमें कलर कर सकते हो यूजिंग द ह्यू ऑप्शन, राइट? These adjustments are clear regarding to the image. Now the next one more option is there, image, then adjustments, then choose the option variations. So many variations of the images will be appear. You can choose any thumbnail that you find more suitable. For example, this one is the greener, so you can change the number of times you will click on the image, the more green color will appear. Now, if you want to appear in the yellow, so you can take it a yellow also. So these are the mid tones, right? The option you have to select is mid tones. So this is the current pick right now. Again, go to the variations. If you want to depict in more red, so all colors are available. जिसको भी आपने color अपना suitable बनाना है, you can choose that thumbnail accordingly, right? So these are the variations of the images that are available. अभी हमने इसको देखो colorful image थी, हमने इसको black and white में turn कर दिया. So any doubt till now? Shapes tool, then the adjustments of the image. You can see the original image. ओरिजिनल इमेज हमारी कलरफुल थी. This was the original image, right? And we have turned it into a black and white. All right. So this way you can give the effects to the image. Now next is बच्चे, we always told you that you have to work on the layers. Why layers? अब देखो मैंने जितना भी इफेक्ट लगाया, my background layer is secure. This was the original one, but I have change the colors on the background copy. Means I have created a copy, so whatsoever effects I'm applying, that is on the copied layer, but original image will be staying as it is. उस पे कोई इफेक्ट नहीं आ रहा. In case अगर आपको नहीं कोई अपनी formatting अच्छी लग रही है, you can simply delete this layer and you can go with the original layer. Original पे कोई भी कभी भी काम नहीं करना. Whatsoever you want to do, you have to always make a copy and then you can work on it. Now, how to insert the new layer? So there are different methods for inserting the layer. First method is go to the layer menu. Under the layer menu, the option is new. Under the new, the sub option is layer. Layer menu, arrow new, arrow layer. What is the command? Layer menu, new layer. Now new layer is not a one word. That is the sub option under the new. Okay, layer menu, new option, the sub option is layer. Second method, you can choose the shortcut key Shift plus Control plus N. Shift plus Control plus N. That is the shortcut key for inserting the new layer.
Plus Control plus N.
N. Shift plus Control plus N. So that will also insert new layer. Now I am using this command to see. Okay. The third method, this is create a new layer button on the panel. Now in version CS6, the button name is create a new layer. In your syllabus, the Photoshop is given CC, CS3. So might be in that the option name is new layer button. So if you are using CS3 at your home, do check the option name. Otherwise, you can also write create a new layer button on the layer panel. क्योंकि हमने जितना भी सारा काम किया, we have done through the CS6. Okay, you can check it. So 3 methods for inserting the layer. First one, using the command layer, new layer, shortcut key Shift plus Control plus N. And the third method, from the layer panel, you have to choose the create a new layer button. It's given at the bottom of the layer panel. Right? Now, how to delete a layer? Simply right click on the layer. The option name is delete layer. Right click on the layer and choose the option delete layer. So this will ask you whether you want to delete it, yes or no. So accordingly, you can perform any operation. Now this is the layer, right? How to rename it? Simply double click on the layer name and type a new name. For example, right now I'm giving copied layer. So this way you can rename the layers. The methods are clear. Deleting layer में बच्चे one method, right click on it and choose the option delete layer. Second method, select the present layer that you want to delete and click on delete layer button on the layer panel. Again, 3 methods are there for deleting the layer. First method, right click, delete layer button. Second, you are just dragging the layer to the delete button. See, I'm dragging my layer. आप drag करके लेके जा सकते हो. See here, see on the screen. I'm simply dragging the layer on to the that bin button, right? Third way, you can simply select the layer and click on the delete layer button. So it will ask again whether you want to delete it or not. No, delete key will not work. Okay, 3 methods for inserting layer, 3 methods for deleting layer. Renaming ka method, right click on it and simply double click on the layer. You will get that. So double click on the layer name and you can change the name of the layer. So right click से नहीं होगा. You cannot rename through the right click. See, right click पे option नहीं आ रही है. Okay, renaming का एक ही method है, simply by double clicking on the layer and type the new name simply. Now any doubt? Clear है बच्चे सबको? Adding a layer, renaming layer, deleting layer, all these things are clear. So we are left with the last topic, that is the layer styles when you want to apply. So layer styles के भी 3 methods हैं. So see, go to the layer menu, choose the layer style option. Look at the screen. Go to the layer menu, choose the layer style option. Under the layer style option, there are several effects that you can apply to a layer. First method. Second method, right click on a layer in the layer panel. Right click on the layer in the layer panel. Again, there are options, this blending options. Okay. The third way is this FX button that is present at the bottom of the layer panel. So you can click here. So this is a add a layer style button. Click on add a layer style button that is present at the bottom of the layer panel. Okay. So these are the different methods by which you can apply the effects onto a layer. Now let's look some of these effects. For example, if I want to give stroke, so the layer style dialog box will appear, some of the properties will appear. Stroke means the outline. What outline you can set? Now inner shadow, outer shadow is there. Blending modes you can choose. Opacity, then colors you can take. Right, so these all are the effects that can be applied onto a layer. Okay, so see, all the effects has been applied. So when you want to disable it, अभी ये disable हुई है, मैंने इसको enable कर दिया, so you can see the effects. Okay, now if I want to apply on the background layer, ये मैंने copied layer पे लगाया है. So firstly I have to make it a layer because it's the background and that is log. So again, clicking and selecting the current layer, going on to the layer styles button. So again, these are the options that you can apply. When you want to give inner shadow, these are the different things that you can apply. Clear? So effects, how to apply the effects. So you can go through the various effects and just look at the styles, what is happening with what of the effect. Now that completes our chapter. Any doubt in any of the tool? Background layer to simply double click on that and that layer will be converted to a regular layer. Whenever you have to convert a background layer to a normal layer, double click on that and it will ask you to specify the name of that layer. So simply type the name and then click on OK. All the topics are clear. Tools, all the tools of Photoshop. So let's discuss the exercises now. Okay, coming on to the question answers. What is the use of painting tools and name any 5 painting tools? Yes, give me answer. What is the use of painting tools?
Painting tools are used for retouching and editing
Images. And various painting tools are healing brush, spot healing brush. So all these options are available on page number 70. Healing brush, spot healing, patch tool, brush tool, color replacement tool, gradient tool, paint bucket tool, blur, sharpen, smudge, dodge, burn, sponge. Okay, so all these are the painting tools. And what are painting tools? What is the use of that? The painting tools are used to do the retouching, editing, or drawing in the image. Any doubt? Painting tools are used write down. Painting tools are used to edit or paint, or you can simply write are used to change the area of the canvas, used to change area of the canvas or image by adding paint strokes. By adding paint strokes or filling the areas with colors. And various painting tools, you can write any 5 painting tools given on page number 70. Fine. Differentiate between background color and the foreground color. Yes, Manya, Anshika. Difference between foreground color and background color. Anshika, unmute yourself. Jayant. Vedanti. For stroke selections. By default, the foreground color is black and the background color is white. Page number 71, please begin. In the tip box, foreground color is used to paint, fill and for stroke selections, whereas background color is used to make the gradient fills and fill color in the erased areas of the image. Clear? What is the use of hue and saturation dialog box? Use of hue and saturation dialog box. Yes. Right. Hue is used to change the colors or used to adjust the colors in the image, whereas saturation is used to set the intensity of the colors. Right? Given on page number 75. Clear? Next, what is the use of type tool and how will you insert the text? Right. So, type tool is used to add text in the image. Right? And the steps, first step, click on the type tool. Secondly, click on the image where you wish to add the text. Third, type the desired text. Only 3 steps you have to pen down. Open the image. Click the type tool, click on the image, then type the desired text. First, third and fourth point. All right. The steps are clear, bache? Next question is, explain wrapping of text. Wrapping is used to position the letters or text in different shapes. Only in one line. What do you understand by layers? Recap time, page 77 last. Layers are the transparent sheets that can hold objects and are stacked on the top of each other. So I hope all the 6 questions are clear. Straightway one line is here. Any doubt to anyone? All the questions are clear. So will you submit your copy on time now? Sure. Okay, coming on to the blanks. Adobe Photoshop is basically used for dash and dash photographs, editing and retouching. To increase and decrease the brush size, for increasing we used to right square bracket, and for decreasing the left square bracket is to be used. Press the dash key if you want to see the brush size. Caps lock key in order to see the brush size. By default, the foreground color is black and the background color is white. Dash tool replaces the existing color in the image with the foreground color color replacement tool. There are two types of viewing tools, hand tool and zoom tool. So these are the two viewing tools by which you can able to view the image on enlarging. Which one, bache? Dash tool is used to insert the text. Type 2. Any doubt? Okay. Wrapping text is used to position the letters or text in different shapes. अभी हमने ये study किया है. So wrapping text की help से we can position the letters. So that's why the answer is true. Text tool is used to insert image. Why false? It is used to insert text. A brush can have up to 999 pixels wide. ये हमने brush tool में underline भी किया था. That is true. The value of the brush can up to 999. By default, the background color is black and the foreground color is white. False. That is opposite because foreground color is black and the background color is white. So that's why this statement is false. Next is zoom tool lets you see a magnified view of a picture. True. Path tool helps in making the complex shapes and drawings. True. Spot healing brush is used to repair imperfections. Yesterday we did this tool. हमने face के marks को clear करा था. So that's why the statement is true. Okay. Application based questions. Ali has designed a greeting card in Photoshop. He wants to change the color of flowers with red from red to pink. Suggest him the suitable tool. Which tool is used to replace the colors? That is the color replacement tool. Okay. Vikram has inserted an image in a new file. He wants to duplicate the image on the same layer. Suggest him the tool by which he can able to duplicate the parts of the image. हम duplicate किससे बनाते हैं? That is the clone stamp tool. हमने कल बोर्ड की क्लोनिंग करी थी, देन हमने वाटर की भी क्लोनिंग करी थी. Which key is pressed on the keyboard to see the exact size of the brush? Caps lock key से क्या होता है? Then you want to see the brush size. So the answer is caps lock key. This was given in the blanks also. Right? Which key helps us to move the image while the image is zoomed in? आपने zoom in किया हुआ है अपनी image को, right? अब आपको उसको move करना है. Yes. Which key will be used? Space bar. Space bar key. Which tool is used to create smooth strokes on the of the foreground color? Stroke किससे set होते हैं? With the help of brush tool. Which option is used to position the letters or text to different shapes? That is create wrap text tool. C part. Create wrap text tool. Tool that is used to move the zoomed picture with the window. Hand tool. Hand tool. During the image adjustments, which option is used to change the intensity of the colors? Command is image menu adjustments option, and you under the adjustments you need to find that hue and saturation, right? So intensity हमारी saturation से set होती है, but this option is available under the adjustments option. Any doubt? All the answers are clear. The chapter is clear. So we have finished with the syllabus today. Okay, so complete your notebooks on time and send me, right? And from next week, we are going to start with the revision. All right, bache, take care.